kids, welcome back to your math classes. And we have started our chapter measurement of length. Okay, so in that chapter we have done up to now the conversion part. So conversion part is over, and next what we have to do? Next we have to now, so we have also completed exercise 8.1 also. One exercise of that particular chapter is completed. Now today I will give you a quick recall of the things that we have learned in that chapter. जो भी चीजें हमने अब तक उस chapter में पढ़ी थी, तो वो we will revise. Okay. So the chapter is measurement of length. Okay. Measurement of length. Now in this chapter, we have seen several things. And most prominent in that is standard units of measurement. Okay? So we have seen that meter, centimeter and kilometer. These are what? These are the universally accepted measurement of units of measurement of length. Okay, and I have told you that earlier people used to measure the distances with the help of their finger span and with the help of their hand span. Okay, now next is, so what happened? Those measurement means when they were using their hand, leg, things like that to measure the things, so those measurement were not accurate. ठीक है, तो वो सारे measurement क्या थे? वो सारे measurement accurate नहीं थे. Later on what happened? Later on they have started measuring things with the help of units, that is meter, centimeter and kilometer. Okay, now in meter, centimeter, kilometer, the biggest unit is kilometer. मीटर सेंटीमीटर किलोमीटर में सबसे बड़ी यूनिट कौन सी है आपकी? द बिगेस्ट यूनिट इज किलोमीटर. Okay, kilometers is the biggest unit. Okay, next they are having meters. Next is meter, and the next one is centimeter. See, so here I have arranged these units in. Here I have arranged these units in descending order. Descending order means this unit is the biggest one, this is a bit smaller, and this is the most smaller. है ना? So where do we use centimeter? Suppose I have to measure the length of this book. Suppose I have to measure the length of this book. So what I'll use? There I will use centimeter to measure the length of the book, to measure the length of the table, to we will use centimeter. Now where we will use meter? Suppose you have to measure meter, you will use to measure the distance between, say, your kitchen to your bedroom, or in school your playground to your classroom. So there you will use meter. And now next is kilometer. So where you will use kilometer? So we use kilometer to measure. We use kilometer to measure the very far away things, like distance between the two cities. Distance between the two cities we measure in kilometers. Okay, like distance between Varanasi to Bombay, Varanasi to Pune, we will measure in kilometer. Now next thing is how all these terms, that is meter, kilometer and centimeter, how these things are related. Okay, so let us see how they are related now. Okay, see. So here 1 meter is equals to 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and 1 1 kilometer is equals to 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so this is the relation between all these three units. Now, I have also explained you the conversion. So today we will do some mixed question based on conversion of meter to centimeter and kilometer to meter. Okay, so what will happen today? I will give you some question based on conversion of meter to centimeter and kilometer to meter. Okay, so what we are going to do, first we are going to do some question based on conversion of, meter into centimeter. Although I have explained you this topic, but as you know, practice makes a man perfect, so we will practice it again and again. Okay, first is conversion of meter into centimeter. Conversion of meter into centimeter. Okay, so first I will start with very simple question. That is the question with that question without the centimeter part. So see, first question is 8 meter and the next question is 12 meter. 8 meter and 12 meter. Now you have to, what you have to do, you have to convert these units in centimeter. अब इस यूनिट को आपने किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? आपको ये यूनिट्स कन्वर्ट करनी है सेंटीमीटर में. Okay. Let us do. Now 8 meter, that means 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now 8 meters is equals to 8 into 100 centimeter. Now again the question arises that why we are multiplying here? Why we are multiplying 100 here? यहाँ पे क्यों हम 100 मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं? So we are multiplying 100 here because if 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, see, if 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and I have told you to find out the measurement of 8 meter. Now, so 8 meter is equals to 8 into 100 centimeter. 1 meter का measurement is given. 1 meter में कितने centimeter? That is given. We have to find it 8 meters. So in 8 meter equals to 8 into 100 centimeter. Okay. So 8 into 100 centimeter is equals to 800 centimeter. Next is 12 meter. Next we are having 12 meter. Again the first line will remain the same. First line, that means 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, that will remain the same. See, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now 12 meter is equals to 12 into 100 centimeter. Okay, so 12 into 100 is equals to 1200 centimeter. Okay, so this is how we convert a given unit that is given in meter to centimeter. Okay, by multiplying 100. So see, this is very much similar to what? This is very much similar to conversion of rupees into paise. So when we convert rupees into paise, there we also multiply 100, and here we have to also multiply 100. Okay. Now the next question that I am going to take, in that question, centimeter part will also be there. Okay. Now question number 3 is 2 meter 12 centimeter. Okay, 2 meter and 12 centimeter, and next question is 8 meter 14 centimeter. Come on, solve this question yourself. Yeah, try to solve this question yourself. First question is 2 meter 12 centimeter, and the next question is 8 meter 14 centimeter. Solve it. Okay, see. So 2 meter 12 centimeter. Now our first line will remain the same. First line that you will write, that will remain the same. That is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now 2 meter 12 centimeter is equals to, if 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, then 2 meter 12 centimeter is equals to 2 meter plus 12 centimeter. Okay, now 2 meter, what we have to do, see, here centimeter, 12 centimeter, this number is already given in centimeter. This number is already given in centimeter. We have to convert only this meter part. How we will convert? By multiplying 100. Now 2 into 100 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. Okay, 2 into 100 centimeter plus 12 centimeter, and that will give us 200 plus 12 centimeter. Now 200 plus 12 centimeter. What to do? 0 plus 2 will get 2, 0 plus 1 will get 1, and 2 will be 2. So our answer is 212 centimeter. So this is how we will convert a given number which is given in meter and centimeter into centimeter. Okay. Now, here we are having our next question. And this question is 8 meter 14 centimeter. Okay. This question is 8 meter and 14 centimeter. See. First line, that is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, that will remain the same. Okay. So, yeah, let us do this question. So, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay. This will remain the same. Now, 8 meter 14 centimeter is equals to 8 meter plus 14 centimeter. Okay. Next is 8 into 100 centimeter, and we have to add here 14 centimeters. Now 8 into 100 will get 800 centimeter. 800 centimeter plus 14 centimeter. Adding these both we will get, let us see. 800 plus 14 centimeter. So we will get 814 centimeter. This is our answer. So this is how we'll convert a given number which is given in meter into centimeter. Okay. This much is clear. Note it down. Then I'll give you the next question. Come on, note it down. Now, so I'm here going to give you the second question. Okay, so the next question that I'm going to give you is about C. 5 meter 2 centimeter and 18 meter 1 centimeter. Now convert them. Convert करिए. Okay. So our first question is 5 meter and 2 centimeter. Our first question is 5 meter and 2 centimeter. So the first line will remain the same, that is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. And now next is 5 meter 2 centimeter is equals to 5 meter plus 2 centimeter, and it will give us 5 into 100 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. 5 into 100 we will get 500. 5 into 100 will get 5 into 500 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Now see, 500 plus 2 centimeter. Okay. Now, why I have given you this question? The reason is, see, here most of you get confused that this is 2 centimeter or 20 centimeter. So beta, this is 2 centimeter, not 20 centimeter. Okay. So what you will get? 205. So our answer is 502 centimeter. Our answer is 502 centimeter. Okay. Now, let us do next question, 18 meter and 1 centimeter. Let us do the next question, that is 18 meter and 1 centimeter. Okay. So, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter and 18 meter 1 centimeter equals to 18 meter plus 1 centimeter. Now what we have to do here, we have to convert 18 meter into centimeter. Okay, we have to convert the 18 meter into centimeter. Let us do now 18 into 100 centimeter and plus 1 centimeter. Now 18 into 100 centimeter will give us how much? 1800. It will give us 1800 centimeter, and then we have to add 1 centimeter in it. (1800) plus 1 centimeter. Now adding these two will get 1081. 1801 centimeter. We will get 1801 centimeter. Okay. So this is about converting the meter into centimeter. Now the next topic that we have to do, the next topic that we have to read is converting. Next topic we have to do the conversion of kilometer into meter. Next topic is converting kilometer into meter. Okay, so I am going to erase the board now. Now, see what happened. Now, up to now we have converted meter into centimeter. Now, so now our next target is conversion of kilometer into meter. Now, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. This I have already explained you in the beginning of this chapter, that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay. So if 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, then 8 kilometer is equals to, if 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, then 8 kilometer is equals to 8 into 1000 meter, and it will give us 8000 meter. Okay. So here you can see that 1 kilometer में कितने 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. This is to given. Now 8 kilometer, if we have to convert the 8 kilometer into meter, what we have to do? We have to multiply 1000 in it. We have to multiply 1000 in it. Okay. So 8 into 1000 meter equals to 8000 meter. Now let us do some question based on this only. Okay. So my first question that I am going to give you is 7 kilometer and 425 meter. You have to convert this into meter. 7 kilometer, you have to convert this into meter. 7 kilometer, 425 meter. See, so first line will be, our first line will be 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Now, seven kilometer, 425 meters is equals to 7 kilometer plus 425 meter. Now we'll convert this 7 kilometer. Okay. Now why we are converting only 7 kilometer? Because 425 meter is already given in meter, na? So we don't need to change that. Now here 7 into 1000 meter plus 425 meter. Now 7 into 1000 will get 7 into 1000 meter we will get 7000 meter plus 425 meters. 7000 plus 425 meters. Together it will form 5, 2, 4, 7. 7425 meter. 7425 meter. Okay? Okay, note it down. Come on, note it down. Now let us move toward the next question. So the next question is, kilometer 36 meter. What is the question? Question is 8 kilometer 36 meter and we have to convert this into centimeters. Sorry, meters. Come on. See, first line will remain the same, that is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Sorry, 1000 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay, now next is 8 kilometer. 8 kilometer, okay. So, 8 kilometer 36 meter is equals to 8 kilometer plus 36 meter. Now, 8 kilometer plus 36 meter. Okay. Now, 8 kilometer. Now, next what we have to do? We have to convert this 8 kilometer. So, 8 into 1000 meter plus 36 meter. So, we have to convert this kilometer into meter. So, what we have done? We have just multiplied 1000 in that. So, 8 into 1000 meter plus 36 meter. Okay. Now, 8 into 1000 will give us 8 into 1000 will give us 8000 meter plus 36 meter equals to, let us add and find out, 8000 36 meter 6308 6308. So the answer is 8036 meter. Now this is how we convert kilometer into meter. देखो this question, in this question only 2 digit were there in meters place, है ना. मीटर में खाली 2 digit थे. So what we have done? We have just added 36, not 360. Don't get confused between these two things. Okay kids, so this is it for today and we will meet tomorrow.